Hey everyone, I'm Bill. That's Bogner. We're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome the 2021 Ducati Panigale V2 with the new aero exhaust. And welcome back, buddy, the 2021 Ducati Streetfighter V4S. Oh boy, I am excited today, you guys. So, first of all, it's a hot one, and we're just right after lunch here at Buttonwillow Raceway, and we're up in the hundreds already today. 96 right now, but I think once we get moving, I pick up another degree or two. But I have been on the 2022 S1000 single R all day, and I am super excited to get on the Street Fighter again. It's been too long. You guys, I haven't ridden this bike in over a month. So I am excited to get this thing back out on track. Let's get wheelie control up a little bit more. So welcome back, little buddy. So you guys haven't seen much for this bike. I needed tires, and it wasn't happening, and so I apologize that I haven't been on this thing, but I got a few more parts in the garage. I've been dying to work on this thing, but just time has been crazy. I've been busy with both the businesses right now are just on fire, and then of course taking care of you guys on the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, do the normal, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring that bell notification. Bell notification is going to give you notification of future content. Now I've got to pull back through because I just realized my suspension is on dynamic and I want it on fixed. So we're going to do a quick little pull through. Switch this to the Dave Moss fixed suspension, which firms this thing, firms up this thing, I guess you'd say. What an animal. All right, so we're gonna get off. Stay tuned. I'll be right back, you guys. All right, welcome back, you guys. Yeah, I just wanted to switch this thing into fixed suspension. Jeez, this thing is such an animal. In comparison to that S1000R. Now, you guys will have to stick around because I have a little comparison video. I don't really want to compare these two bikes because this bike is just like crazy in comparison to the S1000, especially right now. That S1000 is pretty much completely stopped. This thing's pushing out almost 40 more wheel horsepower than that thing. So it's not really a comparison. But what I will say is how much I enjoy that S1000R and how much I enjoy this bike in addition. It's like two completely different bikes in the same kind of bike category. So you guys will have to stick around for that little kind of a side-by-side comparison. But yeah, we've got a few new parts going on to this thing. Get in the groove. Very similar gearing to that S1000R as far as what gear I want to be in when. Fast. So I'm driving this thing on a higher wheelie control. I just found at the track this thing just wants to wheelie out of corners, and I really didn't like it. So like that S1000R, it's pretty tame out of corners. You know, let's talk about that on the comparison. So a couple questions for you guys. I've talked to Eddie over at Shred Dog Hydrographics. The V2 is going in for a makeover, and I've contemplated taking this thing in for a little what do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of. Do we do another paint job on this thing? Another full paint job? One of my ideas was maybe having him gloss this, take down the matte and get me gloss instead. Or do we just go completely different? Or do we leave it alone? Don't touch it. No touchy. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And then let's just get along with this thing, all right? Stand by, you guys. Bonus time. Dog, baby. Whew. I think there's a lovely barn on the other side of the truck. She's loving that. She's loving that V2. Sounds absolutely amazing with the aero exhaust. See if we can scooch. Scooch, scooch, scooch. Flag. Ooh, baby. It was a quickie, but it was a good one. I got it right at the beginning. Wait, did she just checker flag me and nobody else? Oh no, they're checking her flag everybody else. It's like, wait a minute. Wait a tick. Woo. Welcome back to the channel. The 2020 cut. Welcome back to the channel. The 2020 Ducati Streetfighter V4S. What a good session. It is getting hot, you guys. It is getting hot. Woo, boy. Well, I got to give you guys at least 2 more sessions. Look at these tires. Too much pressure, too much pressure. Got to drop it down a little bit. Brand new set of RS's. It's looking good. It's feeling good. Streetfighter V4S, my heart, my love. But stay tuned because I have been on the R all morning. If you guys are curious, the difference between the R and the Streetfighter. Animal, not animal. But next session I'm going to have out for you guys a good ride to compare the two if you guys are crossed up between the two. Hopefully I can give you guys some input. Hard to really give you guys input on this bike because it's such a crazy bike and we put so much into this bike. It's hard to compare it with a stock bike. But thank you guys for sticking around. Do the normal. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, ring the bell notification. Let's see. Bogdan's still out. So thank you guys, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.